Good afternoon, grade 2, and good afternoon, teacher Petch.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, teacher D2.
Okay. Today we're going to finish our unit 4. Okay. Unit 4, it's all about objects around us. Okay.
Yes.
Turn your books, page 106. 106. And then we're going to answer this activity. Okay. It says materials used to make toys and useful objects. Okay. So here we have to write the materials. Okay. This is from page 105 that you answer as your homework. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so we try to answer now. Number 1, we have glass.
Okay.
Glass. So you write in number 1, glass. And then read this types of object. Is it plating or useful thing? What do you think, guys? Is it plating or useful thing? It is useful thing. Yes, correct. Yes. Okay, what it is made of? It is made of only one materials or more than one, 2 or more materials. It is only made of one materials, okay? And what type of material it is? Okay, if it is made of only one materials, obviously it is glass as well. Glass types of materials, it is also glass.
Okay. Also glass too. So teacher typing glass. So everyone typing it too, okay?
Okay, kindly write it in your book. So when you review, you know how to answer. Okay, next, number 2, we have the football. Okay, football, it's a ball. Okay, type of object. Is it a plating or useful thing? It is a plating. We use it for playing. Okay, what it is made of? Is it made of one material or 2 or more material? It is made of one material. Okay, and what type of material it is? It is a rubber material.
Rubber material.
Rubber.
So, okay, teacher.
Okay, I think most of the balls that we use for playing is made of rubber. Okay, so it can bounce. Okay, number 3, we have chair. Okay, is it plating or useful thing? It is useful thing. We sit on a chair. Okay, made of 1 or 2 or more materials. It is made of 2 or more materials because you cannot build a chair without the wood, without the nail. The nail is a steel or a metal thing. Okay, types of material, wood and metal. Okay, wood and metal. Okay. Next, number 4, we have belt. Okay, most of the boys use belt. Is it plating or useful thing? It is useful thing. We use it to tighten our shorts or pants. Okay, made of one material or 2 or more material. It is made of one material. If it is leather, it's only leather. If it is plastic, it's only plastic. Okay, but mostly of the belt are made of leather. Okay, leather. Yes, we move on to number 5, doll. Okay, do you have a doll? Okay, is it a plaything or useful thing? It is plaything. We use it for playing, okay? Made of 2 or more materials because we have the fabric, we have the rubber. Okay,
fabric and
rubber, yes.
Okay.
How about number 6? Seesaw board. Seesaw board. Okay, where can we see seesaw? In the playground.
Yes.
Okay, so it's a plaything. And it is made of 2 or more materials, wood and metal.
Okay, wood and metal.
Wood and metal. Okay, so kindly copy the correct answer. Though we know that you are very smart and you already know what are these things. Okay, let's answer the second part. From the exploration, what are some of the toys around us? What materials are used to make them? Number 1, the football is made of rubber.
Okay.
And then we have number 2, a doll is made of fabric and rubber.
Okay. Teacher, a little. Okay. A doll, right, teacher?
Yes, a doll made of.
A doll. Okay. Okay.
A doll is made of fabric and rubber.
Okay. Fabric and rubber.
Yes,
okay,
we have number 3, a seesaw board, which is made of wood and metal.
Okay. A seesaw. A seesaw board, right? Okay, everyone, please write it now. Okay. Look at slide and write it. Make it wood and metal.
Okay, we move on to number 2. From the exploration, what are some of the useful objects around us? Also, what are those things made of? Number 1, we have a glass.
Okay.
A glass is made of glass.
Okay, made of glass too. Next, number 2.
Number 2 is a chair. It's made
chair.
of wood and metal.
Okay, made of wood.
Wood and metal. And number 3, we have a belt. It's made of leather.
Okay, a bell, right, teacher? Made of
Yeah, leather.
leather. Okay.
Okay, and number 3 question, we have which is the best summary of the activity? Example of materials used to make various objects. Okay, in this part, you have to write what are the materials. What are the materials? Okay, obviously, we have the wood. These are the materials, guys. I will circle it with red color. Those are the materials. So you can answer number 3 with using those words, okay? So we're not going to write it anymore because the clue is already here, okay? So you just write these materials, okay, down there, okay? Understand, grade 2?
I think that you understand.
Yes, of course. So let us move now to what page? 107. Okay, I will clear all the answer. Now you can copy it later on YouTube.
Yes, pause it if you don't finish. And let's start again if you finish off.
Okay. Okay, so some objects are made of only one material. Okay, example, playthings, toys, like this car. Okay, it is maybe it is made of metal. Oh no, it's plastic.
Yes,
It's
plastic
made
ball.
of plastic. Then we have the wooden toy made of wood. Okay, those are play things. How about useful things? We have rubber band. We have rubber band, of course, made of rubber.
Yes.
Next, towel, which is made of fabric. Towel is the one we using to dry our body after shower or after taking a bath. We
Okay, teacher.
also have, yes, teacher Ka?
Can I translate a little about rubber and fabric? Okay. Rubber, okay, do you see it right? It mean in Thai แปลว่ายางลูก Okay, this is hard for a little, so know it a little in Thai. And fabric, fabric ก็คือผ้าลูกสิ่งที่เราใช้ทำเสื้อผ้าหรือว่าเป็น towel ก็คือทำจากผ้า Okay. Okay, next teacher.
We have glass. Okay. Example is the vase. Okay, some pronounce it vase or vase. Both are correct. So glass, what is glass in Thai, teacher?
Glass in Thai is mean แก้ว teacher.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So you don't play with glass. Okay,
Yes.
do not play. Okay, we also have metal. Metal, example is a brooch. A brooch is a pin. Pin. Okay. In Thai, what is metal, teacher?
Okay, teacher, wait a bit because glass is have two meaning in Thai.
Oh, okay.
Kindly
explain.
Oh, okay. Glass คำแรกเลยลูกก็คือแก้ว อีกอย่างหนึ่งจากในภาพใช่ไหมลูกในคำนี้แปลว่ากระจก ฉะนั้นมันไม่ใช่ของเล่นเนาะ Okay. Do you know two meaning in Thai? And about metal. Metal ก็คือโลหะลูกสิ่งที่ทำจากโลหะว้าว Okay, teacher. Thank you.
Okay, so metal, what is metal in Thai, teacher?
Metal แปลว่าis mean โลหะ teacher.
Okay, usually metal, this is a brooch. Brooch is a kind of like a pin. What is that in Thai, teacher? Pin.
Brooch is mean เข็มกลัดลูก Okay. Okay.
Okay. Example also of metal are spoon, fork. Okay. Then we also have paper. Example, our books. Our books is paper. Paper in Thai. What is paper, teacher?
Okay. Do you know paper is easy word? Can you guess? Tell teacher now. Very good. กระดาษ Okay. Teacher.
Okay. So I hope it is clear to you guys. Plastic, wood, rubber, fabric, glass, metal, and paper. Those are objects, materials. Okay, those are materials. Okay, so let's see if we have some things that are made of two or more materials. Okay, turn your page 107. 107. Some objects are made of many materials. Example number 1, bicycle. Okay, look at the arrows, teacher. We have here rubber, okay, because of the wheel. It is made of rubber, okay. Then we have this, where you see it, it is made of plastic.
Yes.
Okay, and the body of the bicycle, this, it is made of metal. Okay, so we have many things that are made of two or more materials, just like the bicycle. All right. Next, we have wardrobe. Okay, the wardrobe is made of wood, usually made of wood. Okay, but sometimes we put mirror. Mirror is made of glass.
Yes.
Okay, and those handles to open the wardrobe is made of metal.
Yeah.
Okay, so check your wardrobe if it is made of one material or two or more materials.
Yeah.
Okay, another example. Oh, yes, those are example. And in your bedroom, just like this part, this is the bedroom of the boy. Okay, what are the materials that we can see in this bedroom? Look at the bed.
Okay.
Okay, the cover of the bed is made of fabric, right,
Yes.
teacher?
Fabric.
How about you, teacher?
Yeah.
What material can you see in
Okay,
this
teacher,
room,
I
bedroom?
think it a little about fabric, right?
Hmm? Yes.
Okay. Didn't. Okay. Fabric. And teacher say about ball, teacher. I think ball is rubber, blue ball.
Okay, yes, this ball, it is made of rubber. Teacher, I can also see this chair. It is made of plastic and wood.
Okay, I type a bit about this one.
Yeah. Okay, and the toy made of plastic as well. Okay. Okay, there's a lot of materials you can find in this photo, in this bedroom.
Yes, you can
Okay.
write it, everyone.
Yes. Find as many as you can on this photo, okay? And then you label it if it is plastic, wood, rubber, whatever. I know you can do it, guys. Okay. So let's move on to next page.
Okay.
Our next page is activity. Okay. But we are not going to do this right now. We will do this after our evaluation, right, teacher?
Yes,
Yeah,
if we
because
have
we will be
time.
needing things.
Yeah, teacher will do it later.
Yes, so we will jump to what page, teacher? We will jump to
110, teacher. Tell them about
100.
yes, property of materials.
Oh, okay. Oh, this properties of materials. Okay, we will just discuss quickly about this. All right. So just underline the things that is very important. Okay, the materials that objects are made of have different properties. Properties are unique characteristic of materials. Okay, meaning the meaning of properties is the weight, how heavy or how light.
Yeah.
Hardness, is it soft? Is it hard? Flexibility, flexibility, meaning, for example, the rubber. Can you bend it? Can you stretch it? Example, paper. Paper. Can you bend the paper? Look, I can. Okay.
Yes.
Rubber, if you pull the rubber, it will stretch. Right? Okay.
Yeah.
We have the passage of water, meaning if the water can pass through. Okay, for example, cell phone. This is made of glass, plastic, and metal. If you pour water but don't do it, do you think it will pass through? It will not.
Yes,
Okay.
it will not.
But if you have fabric, example, fabric, if you pour water, remember when mommy is washing clothes, the water can wet the clothes because it can pass through the clothes because it's fabric. Okay.
Yes.
But we have a special fabric that the water cannot pass through, but it's very rare. So passage of water, please underline those words, okay?
Yes.
When
Underline.
people, yes, when people make different objects, they choose materials according to the way the object will be used. For example, socks are made of fabric because fabric is soft. Okay, another example is our clothes. Imagine, can you wear a metal clothes? How can you wear a metal clothes? You cannot move if you're wearing metal clothes.
Yes.
So
like a robot, I think.
yes, it's a robot. Okay, so we wear fabric because it's soft and we can move freely. Okay, so these properties of materials, we have example, wooden table and weave basket. The wooden table, it's smooth. Okay, the weave basket is rough. Okay, so that's one of the properties. Okay. How smooth? I think this will go with the hardness. How smooth, how rough. Okay. Need to explain, teacher?
Yes. Okay, I translate it a little in Thai, teacher.
Yes.
Type of suffix. Okay, ก็คือพื้นผิวลูก Everyone look at two pictures. Okay, wooden tables is smooth. Smooth ก็คือพื้นผิวที่เรียบลูก เรียบ Okay, and rough is mean ขรุขระลูก Okay, do you understand, right? Okay, very good.
Okay, so number 2, we have the weight. How heavy a material is. Example, we have the marble table and a plastic chair. Marble, it is made of marble, cement. So this must be very heavy. Okay.
Very heavy.
And while the plastic is depends on how big is the plastic. But with this chair, plastic chair, it's very light.
Yes, it's easy to move. Okay.
So that's how we compare it.
Okay. Teacher say a little in Thai. Okay. That is mean น้ำหนักใช่ไหมลูกเราเรียนกันไปแล้วคำนี้ Very heavy marble table ก็คือแปลว่าอะไรลูกยกขึ้นเลยหนักมาก Yes. And very light ก็คือ opposite. Very heavy is mean เบา Okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Next, teacher.
Okay, number 3, hardness. Hardness, okay. Rock. Okay, this is hard. Okay, and then we have the soft, the baby's diaper. Okay, it's soft because it is fabric. Okay, teacher.
Okay, hardness ก็คือความแข็งแรงลูกดูสองอย่างก็คือ rock is hard ก็คือแข็ง baby's diaper soft ตรงกันข้ามเลย opposite ก็คือเบา
Okay, number 6, water absorption. Okay, we have the fabric here, cashmere fabric. Okay, this can absorb water. The water can pass through, can absorb. While the nylon, this is also kind of fabric that is very rare, cannot absorb water. Okay. So this is 2 kinds of fabric, teacher. One is cashmere, the water can pass through and can absorb, while the nylon, it cannot absorb water.
Okay. Water absorption ก็คือการดูดซึมน้ำลูก Cashmere and nylon is they are kind of fabric, right, teacher?
Yes.
Cashmere กับ nylon ลูกเป็นชนิดผ้า2 ชนิด Okay. cashmere can absorb water ก็คือมันสามารถดูดซึมน้ำได้ต่างจากผ้าประเภทไนลอน cannot absorb water ก็คือดูดซึมน้ำไม่ได้ Okay, next teacher.
Okay, number 5, we have the passage of water. Okay, we have the paper and the plastic. The paper, when you pour water on it, the water can pass through, just like the cashmere. Okay, the water can pass through. But in plastic, water cannot pass through. It's closed. Okay.
Okay.
Obviously, that's why we use plastic sometimes in, like, for example, to make ice, we put water in the plastic, we put in the freezer. Okay, because the water cannot pass through. Okay, teacher?
Okay, passage of water ก็คือน้ำผ่านได้ มี2ชนิดเหมือนกัน paper and plastic โอเค paper ก็คือกระดาษเนาะน้ำผ่านได้สังเกตเวลาเราเทน้ำใส่กระดาษเปียกน้ำผ่านออกมาต่างจากพลาสติกลูกเมื่อเราเทน้ำใส่อย่างเราเทน้ำใส่แก้วพลาสติกน้ำทะลุออกนอกแก้วได้ไหมลูกไม่ได้ yes that's it
Okay, we have here flexibility. Flexibility means if you can stretch. Okay, example, socks made of flexible fabric. It is flexible, so you can stretch it. Okay, and it is soft. While we have the glass. Glass is not flexible unless it will be heated very hot. Okay, which is we only use that way when we are creating another kind of glass. But when a glass is made like a vase, like a drinking glass, it will not bend, or it's not flexible. It will stay like that, not flexible.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay, flexibility ลูกก็คือความยืดหยุ่นสังเกต2อย่างเหมือนกันคืออะไรนะลูก socks and glass. Okay, socks ก็คือเราสามารถดึงได้ใช่ไหมลูกถุงเท้าก็จะมีความยืดเมื่อเราใส่ไปนานๆแล้วก็ glass เราไม่สามารถดึงได้ใช่ไหมลูกมันคงที่เหมือนเดิม yes all of that.
Yes, do you understand grade 2? Very good.
Teacher think, do you understand now? If you can, okay, open it again.
Yes, very good, grade 2. So teacher, we move on to page 111. Right?
Okay,
this is just very quick. Using the objects around us properly and safely. To use different objects properly and safely, we have to consider the properties of the materials that they are made of. Okay, so for example, if the object is made of glass, you need to use it properly. Otherwise, if you break the drinking glass, well, you just throw it and you cannot use it anymore. So you need to take care of everything. Example, plastic toys. You avoid you avoid fire in the from the plastic toy because it can melt. Okay, so you have to properly and safely take care of any materials around you. Okay, great. We move to creating new materials from materials that have different properties. Some materials can be mixed together to achieve the appropriate properties to use as needed. For example, plaster mix, okay, with paper pulp used to make piggy bank, or cement mix with sand, rock, and water used to make concrete. Okay, look at the hand of this. Look at this hand, arm. Okay. This is a plaster cast created from plaster coated or on cotton. Okay.
Okay.
This one have it's made of different kind of materials, different kinds of materials. Okay. Paper pulp used to make this can be used also to make in piggy bank, but I don't we cannot give example as of the moment to them, teacher, about the
Yes,
piggy
teacher.
bank. One time if I
Yes.
saw something, I will share it to you. Okay.
Okay.
This plaster cast, we usually use this in the hospitals, clinic. Okay, when you have fractured bones, we need to cement it. Okay, but this is a different kind of cement. This is a very sensitive cement because it is only used in medical.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, and we have the other cement here. We use this in building house, in making roads, in concrete. Okay,
Yes.
so cement, sand, water, rock. We mix them all together to make a concrete, and it's very hard. Okay,
Yes.
the students teacher, I think they are familiar with this.
Okay.
Yes,
Would
teacher.
like me to
Kindly
describe
explain,
it.
Tito. Yes, ka.
โอเค เด็กๆลูกดูหน้านี้อย่างอันแรกเลยที่ทีเชอร์พูดถึงก็คือ using the object around us right ก็คือการใช้สิ่งของต่างๆโดยคำนึงถึงความเหมาะสมและก็ความปลอดภัยเนาะโอเคเมื่อเราจะเลือกใช้สิ่งของใดๆก็แล้วแต่ example glass okay you need to take care when you use it teacher say already do you remember it okay next about creating new materials ก็คือโอเคเด็กๆดูจากรูปภาพที่มีดูอย่างตัวอย่างที่ทีเชอร์โยงก็คือ piggy bank โอเคจะเห็นได้ว่าเราใช้สิ่งของ material หลายอย่างเลยในการทำ piggy bank ขึ้นมาโอเค example pasta mixed with paper pool right teacher
Yes, this one.
โอเคสามารถเป็นอันนี้ได้make piggy bank แล้วก็เป็นตัวนี้ขึ้นมาหรือเป็นเฟือกการทำเฟือกตัวนี้ก็คือจะต้องผสมกับอะไรเด็กดูในกรอบสีเหลือง pasta cast โอเค create from pasta cut on cotton โอเคอันนี้คือสิ่งของที่ใช้นำมาผสมกันกลายเป็นตัวนี้ and concrete โอเคเด็กๆเคยเห็นแล้วเนาะตามท้องถนนโอเคเราทำจากอะไรลูกซีเมนต์แซนด์ก็คือทราย rocks หินแล้วก็ water ทุกอย่างผสมรวมกันกลายเป็น concrete โอเค do you understand right very good
Good
student
job. Okay, we move on to, okay, we'll pass this activity, but promise we will do this as soon as we finish our evaluation, okay, because we
Yes.
will be needing materials, okay?
yeah
Okay, so we move to page 116. Okay, from your book 116. So here, okay, materials used, learning activity materials used to make toys and objects. Okay, write the names of materials on the left side and their properties on the right side. Okay. On the right side of the table that relate to the provided pictures. Okay, you can write the names of materials, more than one answer in each blank. Okay, if you think it is made up of more than one materials, you can write the materials. All right, understand? Materials. Okay, don't forget, grade 2, don't forget the materials. We have paper, wood, rubber, plastic, fabric, metal, bamboo. You know bamboo is a kind of wood, teacher.
yes แบมบูแปลว่าอะไรลูกมีบางคนน่าจะรู้แล้วแปลว่าไม้ไผ่เป็นส่วนหนึ่งของไม้ลูก
Okay, and then the properties of materials. We have water cannot pass through, flexible, strong, light, and soft. Okay, we move on. Okay, so we have here the materials and then
Yes.
properties of the materials. Okay, so we will give you, let's give them 3 minutes, teacher, to answer it. Okay, kindly pause the video while you're answering it and then play it again after you answer. And then we will check it. Okay?
Okay. Let's start now.
Okay, go, go, go.
Go.
Okay, so I hope you're done. So let's check your answer. Teacher Pep,
Okay.
ready? Okay, number 1 is blanket. Okay, what do you think the material used in blanket? Can you answer? Everyone can answer. Shout your answer.
Okay.
Okay, correct. It is fabric. Yes, correct.
Yeah,
Fabric. Okay. And what are the property of the material? Shout your answer. Property of the materials. Yes, it is soft.
Yes,
Soft.
very
Yes,
good.
correct. Okay, we move on to number 2. Rain jacket or raincoat. What do you think is the material used in this rain jacket or raincoat? Okay, all right, very good. I can hear someone saying plastic, teacher, plastic.
Okay.
Okay, and the property of the material, okay, does the water can pass through or cannot pass through? Very good. Water cannot pass through.
Yes.
Boy, grade 2 is very good today.
Yeah, teacher.
Okay, number 3. Okay, please write your answer. If you have wrong answer, copy the correct answer now. Okay, so when we review, you got it all correct. Okay. Yes. Number 3, we have rubber band. Okay. What material is made of rubber band? Of course, yes. It is made of rubber. That's why we call it rubber band.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Some students are shouting like it's the answer is already there. Okay. Then what property of the material? Is it flexible or not flexible? It is flexible. Yes, because we can stretch it. Yes. Very good. Very good. Okay. So it is flexible. Okay. Everyone, turn your page. Okay, if you're checking it, pause it first and then play it again after checking. Okay. So page 117 now, teacher. 117. All right. So this is a swing set materials. What is made of? Made of, yeah, first metal, correct.
Okay.
And where do you see it? It is made of wood. So metal and wood. Very good. Property of the material. Is it soft, light, or strong? Shout your answer. Who said light? Who said strong? Yes, strong. That is the correct answer. Strong. Okay, last number 5. Kite materials. What is kite made of?
Wow,
okay.
A lot of material, I think, teacher.
Yes, more than one material. So first we have paper.
Okay.
Then how can you make the body or the skeleton of the kite? We need bamboo stick or wood, bamboo stick.
Okay, bamboo stick.
Okay. How about the property of the material? Is it flexible? Is it light or is it soft? Who said soft? Who said light? Yes, it
Okay.
is light. Light, it's not heavy. Okay, it's not that soft because it's made of wood. Okay, so those are the answer. Okay, in number 2, part number 2, look at the picture, then put a tick by the correct answers. Okay. So if you go to the market with your mother, listen carefully. If you go to the market with your mother, what is the most suitable kind of bag to use to carry the items that you buy? Okay, and why? So if you go to the market, what do you need to bring? Is it plastic bag, paper bag, or cloth bag? Okay, we will give you 1 minute. Answer it now. Put a tick in the box and then write your reason. Why do you think it is important? Why do you think it is the most suitable kind of bag to use to carry?
Okay.
Okay, I hope you're done. Okay, so on this part, we have different answer for sure. Okay, for me, I carry cloth bag. Okay. How about teacher Petch?
Teacher will shoot plastic bag, teacher.
Okay, so if you think your answer is plastic bag, put a tick in the plastic bag. If you think the answer is paper bag, put a tick on paper bag. Okay, if it is cloth bag, put a tick on cloth bag. Okay, and then you have to write here, why? Why do you think? Okay, for example, cloth bag. So maybe the reason is for me, because for teacher D only, because I can put a lot of things, okay, and I can reuse it. Okay, so it depends. This part, when you take photo, we will check it. Me and teacher Patch, we're going to check it. Okay. All
and if you use plastic bag, example about plastic bag, I can use it again. Reuse it, right, teacher?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
All right, so we have different answer in number 2, but it's okay. It doesn't matter for as long as you can tell us why. Okay. Page 118. Okay. What materials should you use to put food on? Why? Okay, just like the first question. Porcelain plate, paper plate, foam box. Okay, and then why? Okay, for example, okay, this is only example. Okay, I'll choose porcelain. Porcelain, okay. Why? Because water cannot pass through. Okay, and it we can wash it and use it again.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
All right. So maybe if you're going for a picnic, you can use paper plate. Okay. If you order from a restaurant for takeaway, you use foam box. Okay. But at home, we use porcelain plate. Okay, because we can wash and reuse it. Okay, you have to choose any and then you just tell us why.
Yes.
Okay, should we move on, teacher? Yes, this is only example. It's still up to you. What is your answer? Number 3, Find a picture or draw a picture of a toy or a useful object. Then answer the question below. Okay, you have to find a picture or draw a picture of a toy or any useful object, then answer the question below. Example, what can we give example here, teacher?
Okay,
Anyone can give example?
yes. For art, I think pencil, teacher. Can you draw pencil?
Okay,
Yes.
how about a pencil? So for example, this is a pencil. Uh-oh, I'm sorry. Okay, this is example of pencil for only example, okay? Okay, what's the color? Example, imagine that it is a pencil.
Okay, I can imagine.
Okay. So what are the question here? Okay, name. So this is a pencil.
Okay. Teacher, I write.
Okay. Is it a toy or useful thing? Useful thing, right, teacher? Oh, yes, sorry. Okay. Next, it's material. It is made of what? Wood.
Wood, yes.
Rubber. Wood, rubber. Because the
Rubber.
eraser at the end of the pencil is made of rubber. Okay.
Yes.
Property of the material. Is it light? I think it's light. It's not
Okay,
heavy.
right.
Light. Okay. Is it made of a proper material? Of course, yes.
Okay, yes.
Yes, okay. So this is
Okay.
only example. We have a lot of things, object inside our house. Toy, useful object inside our house. Draw it and answer the question. Are we clear? Clear with that?
Clear it, right? Everyone, you can draw anything if you want and tell teacher this is toy or this is useful thing, okay?
Good, good job. Okay, next. Okay, this part, we will do this. This is a fun activity, but we will do this after, again, our evaluation.
Okay.
Okay, let's answer this quickly, teacher. And grade 2, draw lines to match the changes in materials with the correct method. Okay, 1. This is clay. I think this is clay. Okay, how can you make the clay as a toy? We need to squeezing, twisting, and smashing it.
Okay, smashing.
Okay. So we connect 1, 2, squeezing, twisting, and smashing it. Okay. That is an example. Okay, we give you 1 minute to answer it. Okay, you pause the video and then go play it again and we will check our answer.
Okay.
Okay, so we continue our answering. Number 2, we have this. This is a metal. Yeah, metal. Okay, and then it produces like a small bicycle, miniature bicycle here. So what do you think? Is it smashing, being heated, bending, or cutting? Being cooled. Okay, this is a soft kind of metal. You can bend it, easily bend it. So bending and cutting. All right, next we have cube ice. So we put water
inside
the plastic small container and then put it in the freezer and then it produces ice. It gets harder. Okay, so
Okay.
by the use of being cooled or freezing it, we can have ice cube.
Okay.
Yeah, how about number 4? From wood, it turns into charcoal. Okay, by what? By smashing it or by heating it? Yes, to make a charcoal, we need to heat it, okay? And
Yes.
last but not the least, we have the wood. Okay, is it wood, teacher?
Yes. Wood, right, teacher?
Yeah,
So,
if you smash it with the axe, smash
okay.
it with the axe,
Okay.
okay, or a big knife that can cut a wood, it will turn into that. So, if you smash it, all
Okay.
right. So,
Smash.
I hope everyone got the correct answer. Okay,
Okay.
and for our, okay, copy it. And for our last part of our lesson for today, circle the
Mm-hmm.
change materials that are useful. Okay, we have a rusty bicycle, jelly, burn foam, paper birds. Which do you think is useful?
Okay.
Okay, so have you seen all the photo? Check it each. Okay, so
Okay.
which picture, let's answer, which picture show a change of materials? Anyone can answer, you can shout your answer.
Yes. Try to get this. Teacher will give you the correct answer
Which
later.
pictures show a change of materials? Exactly, everything. Oh, a rusty bicycle, a jelly, burnt foam, paper birds. Okay, the bicycle, it turned to rusty. The jelly,
Okay.
from powder to liquid to solid. Change.
Okay.
The burnt foam, okay, if you burn it, it will change. It will melt. Paper birds, if you fold the paper,
Mhm.
okay, it will change to birds, like toy birds like this. So the answer
Okay.
here is, okay, we don't need to write anymore. Okay, you should
Okay.
be the one writing. You write
Okay.
all of here, okay, jelly. Okay, write them all as the answer. All right. Number 2, which material has a change property? Property, meaning property like the metal, the smooth metal changed to rusty. So yes, the rusty bicycle goes here. Okay, the jelly, yes, the property changed from powder to liquid to solid. So the property changed. Okay, so we write it also there. Okay, and also the burn foam. Okay, the property change, it melts, it burns, you cannot return it to the same shape. Okay,
Mhm.
so burn
Okay.
foam. Okay, how about the paper birds? It still stay paper. Okay, only the how you look, but still the material, the property is still paper.
Okay.
Okay, so it is not include only the three, the rusty bicycle, jelly, and the foam. Okay,
Okay.
all right. So maybe we should what we should use here, teacher, is number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right,
Okay.
teacher?
Teacher.
So we can answer in number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. In number 2, 1, 2, 3. How about number 3? Which material can go back to its original form? Okay, just like what teacher D said, paper birds. Because of paper, when you fold it, it will turn like paper birds. But when you unfold it will turn to one paper still a paper.
Okay.
So the answer in number 3 is 4 paper birds.
Okay, teacher, I would like to describe them a bit
Yes,
about this
please,
one.
teacher.
โอเค เด็กๆ ลูกในข้อนี้ก็คือเขาถามถึงการเปลี่ยนแปลงของวัสดุ โอเค number one show a change of material is mean ก็คือวัสดุทั้ง4ข้อเนี้ยลูกมีอันไหนบ้างที่เปลี่ยนแปลงจากวัตถุแรกเลย ซึ่งทุกอันก็คือจะเปลี่ยนแปลงทั้งหมดเนาะเพราะว่าอย่าง bicycle we have metal right teacher metal plastic yes like this to mix it or anything to be the rusty bicycle number 2 jelly โอเค jelly เกิดจากอะไรลูกเกิดจาก water and powder right โอเคก็คือการนำสิ่งของสองอย่างมา mix กันเปลี่ยนเป็นวัตถุใหม่ okay number 3 yes number 3 is from maybe plastic right okay to mix something to be foam like that and last one paper bird ก็คือทำมาจากกระดาษใช่ไหมลูกจากกระดาษเปลี่ยนแปลงเป็นรูปนกขึ้นมา number 2 a change property a change property is mean คือทั้งหมดนี้ลูกวัสดุทั้ง3อย่างก็คือมีการเปลี่ยนแปลงมีการเปลี่ยนแปลงก็คือเปลี่ยนรูปไปเลยจากอันเดิมโอเคก็คือ number 1 2 3ก็คืออย่างเช่น jelly เราก็จะไม่เห็น powder แล้วจะไม่เห็นเป็นแป้งไม่เห็นเป็นน้ำเราจะเห็นเป็น the new material โอเค change property โอเค and last one which material can go back to its original form ก็คือ number 4เมื่อเรากางนกที่พับออกหนูมันก็กลับไปเป็นกระดาษเหมือนเดิมโอเค this is correct okay do you understand right โอเคตรงที่ครูแทนตัวเลขให้พวกเราเปลี่ยนเป็นใส่คำศัพท์แทนนะลูกโอเคครูมีเวลาน้อยก็เลยใส่เป็นแค่ตัวเลขให้ใส่เป็นคำศัพท์โอเค thank you teacher
All right, so for number 3 we will answer this when we do our recycle activity. Okay, so we will do this the same time we do our activity in recycling or producing things.
Okay, can do it later, right, teacher?
Yes, when we do this, page 119, we will answer this part. Okay. So okay, that's all for today. For your homework, I'm sorry, but you have to do the homework. Okay, only one homework for today. Okay.
Yes.
As much as possible, we don't want to give you homework. But to practice you have to answer this. This is very easy. Unit test, page 122 and 123. Darken the circle in front of the correct answer. Okay, we just dark the circle. Example, we will give example here, teacher. Okay, number 1, what kind of object is a student's bag? A, useful things. B, toy. Or C, decoration. What do you think? Do you use your bag as a toy?
No.
Okay.
This is not.
Yeah, all right. So the answer is useful things. Because we use it to put our books, notebooks, pencils inside our student's bag. Okay. So it's a useful thing. One more example. What material is not usually used to make toys? Okay. Look at your toys. Mostly of your toys is made of what? Okay. Yes, made of rubber, plastic, fabric, yes. But
Yes.
do you think it is good to use glass as a toy?
It is not.
We not usually use glass as a toy. So which one is the answer? Is it rubber, glass, or plastic? Remember, the question is not usually used to make toys.
Okay.
Okay, correct. It is glass. It is dangerous to play glass. What if you break it? Okay, so that is how you will answer. Okay, grade 2. So please continue answering up to page 123 and take a photo and then send it to our
Okay.
group. All right, teacher?
Yes โอเคลูกเด็กๆวันนี้งานในชั่วโมงจะค่อนข้างเยอะนิดนึงเนาะเพราะว่าครูอยากให้จบบทนี้ก่อนที่เราจะสอบฉะนั้นให้ไปทำงานในห้องทำตามคลิปวิดีโอเมื่อมีข้อสงสัยอะไรถามครูในไลน์นะลูกวันนี้เราไม่ได้เจอกันเพราะว่า teacher have somewhere to go right teacher in the afternoon
Yes, very important.
Yes very important โอเคก็คือ teacher มีธุระต้องไปนิดนึงเนาะครูกับ teacher ก็เลย record วิดีโอโอเคเด็กๆทำตามงานที่ครูส่งให้เดี๋ยวครูจะ
We
ส่ง
will
คลิป
see
วิดี
you.
โอ
We will see you tomorrow, Chaika.
Yes see you tomorrow
Okay.
okay
Continue answering your note, your books. Okay.
โอเคงานteacher you would like student to take a photo how many page teacher
It doesn't matter if you finish it today, tomorrow, or until the weekend. But for as soon as you finish it, take photo of all the answering pages.
Okay.
No rush.
Okay.
You can do it tomorrow or during the weekend. Okay. And
Okay,
send
it's
it
okay.
next week. It's fine.
โอเคโอเคเด็กๆลูกงานนี้ครูไม่รีบเนาะฉะนั้นถ้าเกิดใครทำเสร็จเรียบร้อยแล้วเมื่อไหร่ก็คือถ่ายรูปส่งก่อนวันจันทร์ครูขอก่อนวันจันทร์โอเคทำไปลูกเท่าที่หนูทำไหวโอเคเพราะว่าครูเร่งจบบทนี้ Do you understand right Okay if you
Good,
have
very
any
good.
question or have problem to do your work your exercise okay can you ask me ask teacher Pet or teacher D is okay 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 very good student
Okay, so see you tomorrow. What
yes
is our class tomorrow? We have math and occupation. We need
yes
to finish math tomorrow, okay? Please read the multiplication.
okay read multiplication
Okay, occupation, we're just going to review.
okay
Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
see you everyone bye bye